Happy, happy. Back again. I don't know why I just showed you that inside that bottle, but you can see it's yellow. I'm going to call this pipe the ugly duckling. Started out, I put some underglaze in all that texture. You see them little slots. I did it. There's some crimson and some orange underglaze in those holes, or textures, slots, lines, whatever you want to call them. So I was hoping I put this yellow glaze over the top of that and it'd show through, and I'd call this pipe the Mardi Gras pipe because it'd be all so colorful. But that was my hopes. I'm going to speed this up because you don't need to watch me glaze it. There goes my music cut. Alright, sorry, we're speeding up here. I lost my music. Hopefully we got something back here. Hopefully YouTube don't knock me out because of copyright. As you can see, I'm slapping on this yellow glaze, hoping that underglaze will show through, but there's a reason this is going to be called the ugly duckling pipe. I only show one coat of yellow here, but I do put two on. Most of these glazes call for 2 to 3 coats. This one did get 2. You're only going to see one fast coat. Then you're going to see the results of after the firing, the glaze firing. I fire at 06. I do all my stuff at low fire. It's all low fire clay, low fire glaze. I was really hoping that crimson and that orange would show through this yellow. It was disappointing. You'll see. We'll wrap up this glaze in here and go on after it's fired and show you that. There you go. Unless you like yellow, I'm not too impressed. Only a couple places showed through, the underglaze showed through. You can see a little bit of something through there, but I'm not impressed. I don't know about you, unless you like yellow. Nothing against people that like yellow. Now, here's where the problem comes in. I didn't record what I reglazed it with. I put another couple coats. I believe I did a black and then a green over that yellow. In my opinion, it turned out pretty sweet. I did slow it down here a little bit so you can see the yellow speckles coming through and the green. It looks pretty good. So that's it. Ugly duckling turned into a nice pipe.